In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average in TradingView. If you're brand new to charts or just want a quick refresher, we'll keep this simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along in real time. All you need is a TradingView chart open with any market or time frame you like. First, look toward the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators button. It's part of the main toolbar and opens the library of built-in studies and community scripts. When you click it, a panel appears with a search bar at the top and a list of results underneath. This is where you can quickly find technical tools without digging through menus. Next, use the search bar in that Indicators panel and type the words Moving Average. As you type, TradingView filters the list to show the most relevant results. You'll usually see Moving Average and Moving Average Exponential among the built-ins. Both are widely used, but they behave a little differently. A simple moving average takes the average of past prices equally, while an exponential moving average gives more weight to recent price action, making it a bit more responsive to current moves. Now add the exponential version to your chart by clicking Moving Average Exponential in the results. The moment you select it, the EMA line is applied directly to your price chart. It will appear as a smooth line over your candles and will automatically adapt to whatever time frame you're viewing, whether that's minutes, hours, or days. If your chart is busy, give it a moment. The line should stand out with its default color and will move as new bars come in. Here's a quick bit of context to help you read what you've just added. Because the EMA reacts more quickly to changes, it's often used to gauge short to medium-term momentum and trend direction. When price stays above the EMA and the line slopes upward, that typically signals strength. When price sits below it and the line slopes downward, that can indicate weakness. The exact behavior will vary based on your chart's time frame and the period used by the EMA. But even at default settings, it's a reliable way to smooth out noise and see the broader move. That's all there is to it. Open Indicators, type Moving Average, and click Moving Average Exponential. With just those actions, you've added a foundational tool to your TradingView setup that can make trend recognition faster and decision-making clearer.